This segment of Delmarva Life is brought to you by Water Lili.
We're watching Delmarva Life, and here we are in beautiful Rincon, Puerto Rico. We're at Maria's Beach, but also here at Caddy's Calypso Cafe.
That's right. I'm so happy that you're here with me.
I'm so happy to be here. This is amazing. The waves out there
The
are
music,
insane.
the Congo in the background, the cars. It's
Yes.
electric today.
I love it. I love it. So obviously today we're going to kind of check out some Puerto Rican fare.
Right.
You know, get a meal. So first of all, kind of tell me a little bit about what makes Puerto Rican food Puerto Rican food?
It's the heart of our gatherings. You know, everybody brings something, or the abuelas or the mothers put together this meal. It's with everything you have in your refrigerator and put it all
Really?
in one pot and cook it. And because the gatherings are long.
Really?
It's not like, okay, it's a 2-hour thing. It's all day long, and there's food. There's all kinds of food all day long.
Unbelievable. But it is food that we could make back home.
Absolutely, we have it all back home. I cook heavy like we do here in Puerto Rico or in Panama, and everything is available home.
And now, is there a certain spice that's used heavily, or?
Yes, you cannot cook Puerto Rican food, Latino food without sofrito.
Sofrito.
That's right. Sofrito is a combination of garlic, coriander, culantro, cilantro, a little bit of onion, and you blend it and put it in a jar. You can buy it, you can make it your own, but it's always in everybody's fridge.
So it's probably going to be in this meal
Oh,
today.
absolutely guaranteed.
So what are we going to be having in this meal today?
We are having Brenda's rendition of Puerto Rican paella.
Puerto Rican
It's a
paella.
paella made with a lot of pork meat, sausages. It's very colorful, very flavorful, fragrances. Oh, it's just delicious.
Oh, that's going to be so good. And she's got a side dish too, right?
Yes, it's a new one for me. We don't usually, you know, all Latin countries have their own style. This one that she's cooking with is bananas. Little green bananas, kind of like fried green tomatoes, but fried. It's not fried, it's boiled bananas. And I'm so excited to try it. I've never had it.
Can't wait.
I
And
know.
we are in our best
Yes,
attire to be
yes.
trying this food today.
Especially when you're in the island. You want to be loosey-goosey, you want to be cool because
Yeah.
it's hot here.
I'm loving this.
This kimonos are the best thing to take when you travel because you're getting out of the beach. You want to come to Calypso. Oh, I want to put something on because I just don't feel comfortable in my bathing suit.
Yeah.
This, you can tie it, you can wear it long.
Yes.
The Gabby pants, which are exclusive to us, and our favorite bralettes. I mean, you're done, and they're gorgeous. I mean, this looks like the ocean right now and the coral underneath.
Stunning.
Yeah.
And I wore my favorite Water Lili dress.
Yes, that Macarena Katie
You know,
dress.
the vibe here.
How long it is, the cinching on the waist, the V-neck, the little cup sleeves. It is a great dress. Flip-flops like you have today,
Yes.
or heels. It's a great piece. It rolls up to nothing in your suitcase. It's a wonderful piece to take.
That is so true. And it's
Yeah.
so comfy.
Yes!
Oh, it feels so good. I always get compliments on this dress all the
It
time.
looks great on you.
Well, thank you. All right. Well, I think it's time we go check out
Yes,
what's
I'm
upstairs,
hungry.
right?
I
All right.
hope you're hungry.
I am.
This segment of Delmarva Life is brought to you by Water Lili.
Buen provecho. You are watching Delmarva Life, and we are here at Caddy's Calypso Cafe here in the beautiful Rincon, Puerto Rico. And I'm here now. We have got Brenda Gill, who is the co-owner here. And Brenda, I'm excited for this
Me
today.
too. I want to show you how we eat.
Yeah, I can't wait. So tell us, before we start, what are we making today?
We're making my take on the Puerto Rican paella. We have a lot of influence from the Spanish, the Taino, the African. So aside from the Spanish, is taking what we have at hand, which is chicken, pork, the chorizo, longaniza, which is a Puerto Rican. It's actually Spanish, but we use it a lot. It's made out of pork and chicken.
Ooh,
Let's start.
thing.
We already worked a little bit on the chicken. We chop it into little pieces.
Okay.
So we're turning this on to medium temp,
Perfect.
and we're gonna sizzle it a little bit. We're gonna add some short ribs, okay?
Ooh.
Because we want everything in that pot, but we don't want to stay hungry.
Right.
So we put that in there. We mix it up, let it cook a little bit. We're gonna be seasoning all the time when we're cooking.
Okay.
Now we're gonna be taking some of this sausages. We have chorizo and we have the longaniza. So we're not gonna chop that up.
Oh, we're not.
We're just
Oh.
no.
No, you're just gonna. You're gonna.
Old-fashioned
Rip 'em.
way. You have to trust your cook that she cleaned her hands, okay? So we're just gonna take them out of the casing.
Oh.
This is easy. And now,
Can I do one?
yeah, you can do this.
Okay. Now tell me how I. What, do I
Just squeeze.
there it is. There's that part. And then
It's. I think
okay,
it's
I don't
easier.
think I'm as
Yeah.
good as you. That's why you're the cook.
Yeah.
But there it is. You know. Bam.
Mission accomplished.
Mission somewhat accomplished.
Yeah, you did well.
you.
If I need a sous chef here,
Yep.
I'll definitely hire you,
do.
but I won't leave you in the kitchen alone without
please.
plenty of transportation.
Gosh, do not do that.
No, I want to keep the reputation of
That's
this place
right.
going.
That's right.
So just break this up.
I love the color of it too.
This is a very pretty rice. So we're gonna put some oregano now. This I grew out of my backyard as well. Puerto Rico is great. Nothing fancy here, just chop it up with your hands.
Olive. Okay, some nice.
These olives, not everybody likes them, but if you do the rice without the olives, it's not gonna break
For
the
the
same.
flavor.
It's truly not
It's
the
like
same.
10, 12 olives. I put them, some of them whole, and then I'll take some of this.
Gonna do your thing
And
again.
squish them.
Oh, there she goes. She loves to squish. Try finding about Brenda.
Yep. Now you know. Now you know. This is the most important part of any Puerto Rican cooking. It's the sofrito. It's a mixture of onion, garlic, pepper, cilantrillo, a little olive oil if you want to. But this goes right in.
That is a staple in everybody's house.
Yeah.
Really?
You
Have a
can
household
either
without sofrito.
yeah. If you don't have sofrito, you can cook.
Yeah.
Do you buy it made or do you make it yourself?
This one's store-bought, but it's a
Okay.
very good brand.
Yeah.
But you can definitely make this. It's super easy to make.
Really?
Because yeah, you just put everything in a food processor,
Perfect.
and you put it in your fridge, and you're good to go.
Perfect.
So our meats are getting happy in there.
I love it. All right, so why don't we let this meat cook up? You know, continue to make it get happy because I know it's love and life right now.
Yeah.
And we'll come back and finish this up.
Sure thing.
All right.
I'll be waiting.
We'll be right back.
This segment of Delmarva Life is brought to you by Water Lili.
What a view that is. You're, of course, watching Delmarva Life. We are here again in the beautiful Rincon, Puerto Rico, with my friend Brenda Gill here. And, of course, we got Lily, as always. And how's our meal doing?
Oh, we're doing so good. We're
So good. I love it.
Yeah. We're gonna add a little bit of garlic, just a tiny bit, because remember we already added the sofrito.
Right.
But the good stuff we need to reinforce. So
Okay.
garlic.
Makes sense. I'll remind everybody we are making Puerto Rican paella.
Yeah.
Yeah?
We can call it that.
That's what I like, you know?
These are chickpeas, green chickpeas. This is chicken bouillon,
Okay.
powdered kind. So here we are adding some sazon. This has azafran on it.
What did she say that was in there?
Azafran.
Okay.
It is a season. It is from a flower. It's very expensive, and you just use a little bit, and it turns all these paellas yellow.
That's what gives them the yellow color.
Right. Okay, cool. All right, Brenda, it is time now to add the rice.
We have here about 2.5 cups of rice.
Oh, wow, okay.
So, hey, you have a big crew.
Yeah, we do.
And you told me we needed to fix them if I wanted to be on TV.
That's exactly right.
So,
Now, is this just regular white rice?
this is medium grain rice.
Okay.
And now we come here for the good part of the dish. We're going to be using some beer.
All right. Now is this pretty typical?
On yellow rices, yes. A lot of people use water or, any chicken stock or whatever. But hey, beer, it's better.
Beer's better. There you go.
You want to be an honorary Puerto Rican?
Yes.
This is how you do it, okay?
Yeah, but it's good that you're doing it slow too. Like I can see your method here.
If I had done it properly, I would be Irish. Why don't we do a third beer?
Let's do it.
And now we are set. As soon as this boils, we're gonna take our lid. And this is the fun part about this rice.
That's this here, right?
Yep. You can do something else afterwards because it's just gonna sit there.
Just let it kind of simmer.
We're gonna let this boil a little bit, and I'm gonna show you how to make guineitos in escabeche.
Well, why don't you and me switch places?
Of course.
And then you just tell me right when it's boiling, and we
Yeah.
start that. You say, Katie, and I'll go, bam.
Yeah, we lower the. Okay, I'll help you out with that.
You got me, friend.
So these are Puerto Rican bananas, but these are green. We didn't let them ripe. So we just boil them in a pot of water and salt. And
The skin.
with the skin. We just took the ends out. It's easier, you know? And then we're gonna put this. I already did a little bit of chopping over here. We're gonna take some, then again here, the Spanish again, some very good olive oil. And we're gonna soak those over there. Don't be shy, don't think the olive oil is expensive or whatever. It's for your tummy. Eat it and then buy more.
Eat it and then buy more. I love it.
I love that.
I'm learning life lessons today,
Yeah.
Brenda.
This is white vinegar.
Okay.
This I put a little bit now, and then I put a little bit more. So I had already done some chopped onions, nothing. You don't need any process for that. You can give it a little of a stir.
Okay.
I trust you for that.
Thank you, Brenda. That's such a big deal.
If something is messed up, it's not my fault.
Completely on me.
So now I take some black peppercorns and just throw them in there. I am a peppercorn-holic.
Ooh. Now, so why the peppercorns as opposed to?
I will do both.
Oh, you're gonna do both.
I like when you bite on the peppercorn. So
Okay.
Like that kick.
Yeah.
yep. So, and now we're gonna do some salt because then again, no bland food.
That's right.
We're gonna put some laurel leaves in here.
Like a town in Delaware.
Like the town in Delaware.
That's right.
I need to go there then.
Yes.
Only if you're cooking, Katie.
Okay, good. You just let me know, and I'll take about 9 months to prepare. After this, I'm gonna look bad. Okay.
Okay, I think that we are. You did good, Katie.
Thank you, Brenda.
We're ready for that lid on,
Ready for the lid.
and we just wait.
Ready?
Yeah,
Ready, aim, fire. All right.
we're gonna lower the volume. The volume, sorry. We're gonna lower.
People tell me that all the time. So it's fine.
Me too. Maybe that's why it's stuck in my head. We're gonna lower the temp to the lowest your stove goes, okay?
Okay.
And then we're gonna sit happy for 30 minutes. So now it's the moment of truth.
Oh, look how yellow and beautiful.
Wow.
This is almost like a little ceviche.
That's the, yeah, it's vinegar and oil, but instead of fish, we have green bananas.
Did you try the green banana?
I have not tried the green bananas because I'm obsessing over the Puerto Rican paella.
Try.
Because it is so, there's so many different flavors, but they're not like too much. Like they blend together perfectly. Bravo.
Glad you liked it.
Bravo to the Brenda. Now, would this be one that you could put in overnight and, reheat it the next day?
Oh yeah, definitely. This is a very forgiving dish, like both of them.
Oh my goodness.
This rice, you can even freeze it and then thaw it, and it will look, as good as new.
Wow. Amazing.
Thank you so much
Well,
for
thank
having
you
me.
so much, Brenda. And if people are interested in following you and checking you out, you're on Instagram, right?
Catis Calypso. Here in Rincon, we also have a webpage, it's calypsorincon.com.
All right. Lily, thank you so much for bringing us here.
Absolutely.
And we'll say buen provecho.
Buen provecho.
One,
Gracias.
2, 3.
Buen provecho.